Crude oil prices fell more than 3% on Friday and were on track for sharp weekly losses as easing supply concerns outweighed recent security risks in the Gulf. Brent crude futures dropped $2.58, or 3.43%, to $72.68 a barrel by 08:48 GMT, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate (WTI) crude fell $2.50, or 3.48%, to $69.42 a barrel. Brent was headed for a weekly decline of about 9.8%, while WTI was down around 9.4% from last Thursday's close before markets shut for a public holiday on Friday. Analysts said markets continued to price in the prospect of rising global oil supplies as more tankers resumed transiting the Strait of Hormuz. Saudi Aramco resumed crude loading at its Ras Tanura export terminal on Friday after an almost 4-month suspension, according to shipping data from LSEG. Two very large crude carriers, each capable of carrying 2 million barrels, were loading at the terminal while another vessel waited offshore. Market participants also pointed to increased oil flows through the Strait of Hormuz and continued weak crude demand from China as factors weighing on prices. The declines came despite oil prices rising more than 2% on Thursday after a cargo vessel was struck by an unidentified projectile near Oman, prompting the United Nations Shipping Agency to suspend its voluntary evacuation program. Two U.S. officials told Reuters that Iran fired on the cargo ship as it attempted to transit the strait, while Iranian authorities said they could not guarantee the security of vessels operating outside designated Hormuz routes. Data released on Thursday showed crude shipments through the Strait of Hormuz climbed this week to their highest level since the U.S.-Israeli conflict with Iran began in February, supported by the ceasefire agreement that reopened the strategic waterway, although traffic remains well below pre-war levels. Separately, Russian authorities are considering imposing a temporary ban on diesel exports for several months, according to state news agency TASS, as the country grapples with fuel supply disruptions following Ukrainian drone attacks on its refining and energy infrastructure.